Before chemistry, there was alchemy. For 1500 years, men hunted the philosopher's stone, a substance that could transform base metals into gold. They never found it. But they discovered almost everything else. Alchemy was not pure fantasy. It was the first systematic attempt to understand and transform matter. Alchemists built furnaces, designed apparatus, recorded procedures. They were doing chemistry before chemistry had a name. The greatest early alchemist was Jabir ibn Hayyan, known in the West as Geber. Working in 8th century Baghdad, he described sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acid. The word chemistry derives from his tradition. Alchemists failed at transmutation for a logical reason: they didn't know about atoms. They believed metals were combinations of properties, not distinct elements. The goal was impossible. The experiments were not. Their most important legacy was practical. Alchemists invented distillation, the separation of liquids by boiling point. They created the first acids, the first purified compounds. Every laboratory technique used today traces back to their workshops. They also discovered gunpowder, porcelain, and the process of making glass. Alchemists in China, Arabia, and Europe all contributed. The knowledge spread along trade routes, accumulating across centuries. Alchemy was also fraud. Courts funded alchemists for decades hoping for gold. Most delivered promises, not results. A few were executed when their claims failed. The line between natural philosopher and charlatan was never clear. What separated real alchemists from frauds was methodology. The serious ones kept careful records, repeated experiments, built on each other's work. They were developing the scientific method centuries before it had that name. Gunpowder emerged from Chinese alchemical experiments in the 9th century, a direct byproduct of the search for immortality. The same quest that failed to produce gold produced the most transformative weapon in human history. The transformation into real chemistry happened gradually. Robert Boyle's 1661 book The Skeptical Chemist demanded testable hypotheses and repeatable experiments. He drew a line between mystical speculation and scientific chemistry. Alchemy left chemistry its entire vocabulary. Alcohol, alkali, elixir, amalgam, all Arabic or alchemical terms. The laboratory itself is named from the Arabic alchemia. Chemistry inherited everything: language, apparatus, and method. The dream of transformation was not wrong, it was premature. Today's chemists do transform elements. Nuclear reactions turn one element into another. The philosopher's stone was not a fantasy. It was a particle accelerator. From stone furnaces in medieval towers, to Arabic acid chemistry, to Chinese gunpowder, to Boyle's systematic experiments, to the modern laboratory. Alchemy did not fail. It grew up. Every chemical process used today was born in those smoke-filled rooms. I am Takku. Alchemists sought gold but discovered the scientific method, perhaps a far greater treasure. Subscribe to Wisdom of Takku, because every obsession eventually teaches us something true.